So, have you ever wondered how a quiet place and natural beauty looks like in Kigali? Come with me. And this is the masterpiece I'm talking about. So, we are located here at Kibagabaga, near Genocide Memorial, and it has a very loving and a quite interesting view. Wait until you step inside. So, before we step inside, let's start with the parking space. As you see, check out how big it is, and moreover, how comfortable it will be for your thighs while you're walking your car inside. And not forgetting the flowers behind me. You're like, what would be a place without flowers or a little garden? Now check out how cute they are. So for now, these are the ones that are here providing air and beauty. But according to your preferences, you can add on according to your preferences, which one ever you would like, and plant and make your own garden. So let's check inside.
Step inside this beautiful home and discover comfort, space, and elegance in every corner. The house features 5 spacious bedrooms, each designed to provide privacy and relaxation, along with modern bathrooms that offer convenience and style. Natural bright light fills the interior, creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere throughout the living spaces.
One of the highlights of this home is the stunning balcony view, where you can relax and enjoy the surrounding scenery and peaceful environment. At the top, the rooftop area offers an incredible space for fresh air, small gatherings, or simply enjoying the view from above. This home perfectly combines modern living, comfort, and beautiful design, making it an excellent place to live and enjoy everyday life.
So that was it all for today. This house is only on 450 million Rwandan funds, which is also negotiable. So if you want to check it out in person, you know where to find this. You can text or call or visit all our platforms. It's Bluestone Reality Estate, and we got you. You can check us out or call, as I said. So that was it all for today. You might as well go and check out if there's any rental apartment you would like or buying a property. We are there. So, ciao.